So, how are you feeling about e-learning right now?
Okay, right now. Okay, so we just got done with our getting ready for it's this thing, and it's this week-long virtual event, I guess, at our school, at our high school, where we get to kind of connect with other people who are going into the same grade as us and kind of get to know how school might be a little bit. And after today was the last day of that, so we're done with that week. And I'm feeling excited because, it's a new year, fresh start, but I guess it's a little disappointing that we can't go to school, because we were looking forward to it, but it's not the worst thing in the world, because at the end of the day, we're still able to be at home and learn, and we're safe, and our school isn't requiring us to go to back so that we have to risk getting any viruses or anything. So I'm happy, I'm excited, I'm kind of disappointed. I don't know, but I overall probably feel excited because after months of not doing work, I'm kind of excited to get back and, keep my mind going and, really improve in my academics.
Yeah, so I'm kind of feeling like the same way that you are, where you're glad that we don't have to go back to school and we can still stay safe, but are also kind of sad that we're going to miss out on our freshman year, or maybe just part of it. I don't know. It depends on how the cases are doing throughout the year. But yeah. I'm my biggest concern is that I'm gonna miss something, or I won't be in all of the Google classrooms, or I'll miss Google Meet or something like that, because a big part of e-learning is not missing anything or any announcements and stuff like that, and so that it doesn't, and I don't want it to affect my grades or anything.
Yeah.
Attendance in every single Google Meet, or because what if you fall asleep, or I don't know, because it's not you're supervised all day, so
I know. And then I'm also
just don't want to miss anything.
Yeah, I'm also kind of nervous about, because we don't know our schedules yet, and school starts in a week or two, and we don't really, we know our schedules, but we don't know how virtual learning is going to be with those schedules. So I'm not sure if we're going to have to be on the screen for 6 hours straight with a little break. I'm not really sure. And if we have to do that, then I'm going to have to definitely pull out my blue blocker glasses, because those are great for your eyes.
They are. I'm actually wearing some right now. These have no prescription in them. Ooh.
Oh my gosh. Wait, actually, where are mine? Here are mine, right here. Okay.
Oh. For twinsies, blue blocking glasses.
Okay. Okay.
So,
wait.
If you could give one tip to someone who is going to be a freshman this year, or it's going to be their first time doing e-learning, what tip would you give them to stay on top of everything?
Well, honestly, if I had to give advice, I would just, I guess what I would say, because I have no experience in this. I don't know, I'm just like everyone else. And honestly, I guess I would say that you just need to go in with an open mind and be patient, even though it's hard, and, still try to connect with others online who are going to your school, friends, FaceTime them, and then academically to really focus on your academics, because this is the perfect time to get your GPA, build it up, and, have a really nice, academic start to your whole high school career, actually. So definitely take this time where we're at home to just do that and focus on academics and just, relax and be patient about it.
That's some great advice, Ava. I could listen to you more often. You should tell me advice.
God.
I would listen. Well, I'm okay at listening. I'm pretty good at listening.
Same. Yeah.
Okay, so if I could give someone advice, I would tell them to definitely stay organized. Always check your email, because a lot of kids don't really check their email, and that's where the teachers mostly contact you. So keep checking your email, make sure it stays organized, get rid of spam. Make sure, and you can try to filter your emails into labels so you know what's what. Um, so, like Ava said, keep an open mind. Be patient with your teachers and with yourself. Um, don't don't stress yourself out trying to get everything done. You have time. You're at home all day. So if you need to get something done, there's always time to get it done. So don't stress yourself out. Make sure you take care of your mental health and just be kind to yourself.
I actually have one more little tip. Also, yeah, well, just make sure organization is great. Even if we were going back to school, you need to definitely, stay organized, and that's the best thing to do, no matter what, because you just have everything in one place or in multiple places, and it's perfect to just stay organized and stay optimistic, and yeah, just come in with an open mind for your teachers and other students and peers.
So thank you, Ava. Now we're going to have Nicole. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Oh my God, this is so great. Okay. Bye.